What's going on, YouTube? Back with another video. So today I have for you guys an unboxing of a combination of a smoke and carbon monoxide alarm. Okay, now this company, I don't know if I'm saying this right, but it looks like Guess Fontaine. I hope I'm saying that right. If it's not, my apologies, but it's spelled Gedsffati. Guess Fontaine. So I don't know if I'm saying it wrong, my apologies. So let's get this thing unboxed. Sometimes, guys, even though you're living abroad and you're accustomed to certain things in the States, sometimes you got to take it upon yourself when it comes to your safety. And it's like, okay, let me go ahead and get this thing and make sure I'm safe. So we get some paperwork here. A little information about the model. So directions on how to use it. We got a product warranty and looks like English instructions here as well. So let's see what we got in the box. So we got the alarm itself, and this plugs into the wall. It does have a battery inside of it. So we're gonna check that out, but I wanted to unbox this thing, and this comes off like that. There. I know this comes off. But yeah, you can take this and hang it like over my stove, or hang it over the hot water heater, or anywhere there's gas with a threat of carbon monoxide or whatever while it's being used. So I'm gonna try it out in a couple different places to make sure I'm squared away. Let's see if we can get this thing back on here. So yeah, that was pretty easy. Pops on, pops off. All right, so let's see what else we get in the box. Is there anything else? Yep. Okay, so this is the magnet that would go on the back if you want to put it somewhere where it can be magnetized. So again, like this, you take this off, and then oh, it's got to set a certain way. So through the magic of editing, I finally figured it out. But it's got to set a certain way to go on here. So this magnetizes to the back of it, okay? So let's go ahead and get this thing plugged in. All right, guys, so it's been a couple days later, and I had to let this thing charge up. Also, I had to learn more about it and how it actually works. So I watched a video on this. I didn't really read the instructions. I kind of cheated, being honest, I cheated. And about how this thing actually works. It is very simple. So if we look up here at the top, it shows you that the volume's turned on, that the smoke detector is on, and you can also see it right here. And then here is your battery level, okay? You have a carbon monoxide detector here, and this also tells you your humidity, and it also gives you your temperature over here. So I'm at 79% humidity and 75 degrees inside the house. There's no carbon monoxide being detected, and there's no smoke right now. In my apartment, in the kitchen, it is gas. I have a hot water heater that is gas as well. So that's why I wanted to get this, because in South America, where I am right now, there is no smoke alarm. There's no carbon monoxide detector. There's no fire sprinklers in here. So you basically had to take it upon yourself to like do things just to be safe. And this is a good thing to travel with as well. I showed you guys in the unboxing how this plugs in. I'm gonna leave this plugged in. I'm not gonna use the magnet, because in case power ever goes out, it's just gonna go back to the battery power on here. So it won't be any loss at all. And when power comes back on, it just recharges the battery back to full, and it just keeps working, okay? Now, as far as how long the battery lasts, I honestly don't know. And to be honest with you, I don't care, because I'm always gonna keep this plugged in, all right? So these three buttons right here, obviously I showed you what this button does. It turns the screen on, and this is also your power button, all right? This button here to your left, this is the dimmest it gets. Well, sorry, this is the dimmest that it gets. Then it gets a little brighter, and that's max brightness, okay? So you have dim, medium, or low, medium, and high. That's the brightness, okay? Now, when it's plugged in, it's just gonna be about medium, all right? That's the way I've had it. This other button here is for your alarm here at the top. So this simply just turns it on and turns it off, all right? Now this middle button, which is also your power button, is also your button to test the alarm. So that's your alarm. Now, I haven't figured out a way if there's a way to make it even louder. I haven't seen it or figured out how to do that yet. I know that that's basically the decibel that it's at. So you do have these vents here on both sides here, which detects either carbon monoxide or smoke, and it also does your humidity as well as your temperature in home. So this is just a safety thing, guys. This is some of the things I want to do on the channel as well, because I do travel from time to time, not very often, definitely not as much as I used to. And this is something I want to take with me, especially in a country like this, in Colombia, because some of the things that we take for granted being from the US, like smoke detectors, carbon monoxide detectors, sprinkler systems in your home, having a fire extinguisher, having a fire blanket, little things like that that we take for granted, you can't take for granted when you're abroad, because they're not there a lot of times. Depends on the type of building you're in, the apartment you're in, right? A lot of those things matter. So in this apartment, I do have outside, there's a sprinkler system in the stairwell. There's a smoke detector. There's a fire extinguisher in the stairwell as well. But inside the apartments here, there's nothing. So if there was a fire to break out in the kitchen by the front door, which is the only way out, I would like to get an early warning so I can get the heck out and not be caught, you know, in a big ball of fire and no way to get out. That's never a good thing. So it's more of a safety thing, guys, than anything. And it's just something to think about. So the price of this thing was $29. I believe you get a $5 or 5 or 10% coupon or something like that from Amazon. So this is where I picked it up from, was Amazon. And it's just a safety thing, guys. That's what it is for me. But anyway, hey, I appreciate everybody watching as always. And until the next time, guys, I am out of here.